with a new rupee 481 crores railway order, a 454% stock surge in just 2 years, and CRISIL upgrading its rating, this construction powerhouse is building India's infrastructure backbone. Boasting improved margins and ambitious debt reduction plans, what's next for this rising star? Stay tuned to discover who is behind these concrete results. Hey everyone, and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker. Here we cut through the noise to highlight hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Sejal Agrawal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's episode, we are diving into two companies making moves that could shape their future growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So today's lineup includes Gokul Agro Resources Limited and GPT Infra Projects Limited. First company, Gokul Agro Resources Limited, which is a prominent player in edible and non-edible oils manufacturing sector with a strong processing facility in Gandhidham, Gujarat. The company is experiencing significant market attention with delivery volume surging to 86%, significantly higher than the previous 43% and monthly average of 73%. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at Rs 4,996.4 crores, marking a 3.7% quarter-on-quarter growth, with EBITDA margins stabilizing at 2.8%. With CRISIL's reaffirmation of A stable and A2 plus ratings, new plants in West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, and a strategic shift towards higher margin products like sunflower and soybean oils, Gokul Agro Resources is positioning itself for over 15% growth in FY26 and sustainable earning improvement. Second company, which is GPT Infra Projects Limited, is a specialized construction company focused on civil and infrastructure projects with additional operations in manufacturing concrete sleeper for railways. The company has recently secured a significant rupee 481 crores order from Southeastern Railway for a major bridge project in West Bengal, marking its first disclosed order for FY26. This new order strengthens GPT's outstanding order book to an impressive rupees 3,813 crores, building on rupees 1,521.4 crores worth of new orders received during FY25. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 279.8 crores, up by 10% year-on-year, with EBITDA margins improving to 12.1%, up from 11.6% in Q3 FY25, marking a 50 basis points growth. The company aims to reduce its total debt from rupees 100 crores to below rupees 75 crores by FY26 through quarterly repayments via internal accruals, with FY26 interest costs projected at rupees 20 crores and borrowing rates expected to fall below 9%. Now, reviewing some of our previous picks, we have Zadel Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, which was covered at rupees 345.8, now trading at rupees 359, up by 3.8%. Gallant Ispat Limited, which was covered at rupees 367, now trading at rupees 431.9, up by 17.7%. Power Mech Projects Limited, covered at rupees 2,299, now trading at rupees 2,705.9, up by 17.7%. VA Tech Vabag Limited, covered at rupees 1,537, now trading at rupees 1,439.8, down by 6.3%. And Kitex Garment Limited, covered at rupees 170.9, now trading at rupees 199.2, up by 16.6%. Now, summary of our today's recent filing. We have Gokul Agro Resources Limited, which saw significant increase in delivery volumes to 86%, and GPT Infra Projects Limited, which secured a rupee 481 crores order from Southeastern Railway in West Bengal. So that's a wrap for today. For more details, check out the full report in the description, and stay ahead and stay informed.